AWS CodePipeline Features. Here are the key features. Workflow modeling. A pipeline defines your release process workflow. It comprises a series of stages, which act as logical divisions in your workflow. Each stage is made up of a sequence of actions that are performed on the application artifacts. A transition is the point where a pipeline execution moves to the next stage in the pipeline. Parallel executions. You can use CodePipeline to model your actions to run in parallel in order to increase your workflow speeds. Sequential actions. You can also model actions sequentially. You can visualize the status of each stage action in the pipeline. AWS CodePipeline provides you with a graphical user interface, allowing you to easily visualize and model your release process workflow. AWS integrations. AWS CodePipeline can pull source code for your pipeline directly from AWS Code Commit, GitHub, Amazon ECR, or Amazon S3. It can run builds and unit tests in AWS Code Build. CodePipeline can deploy your changes using AWS Code Deploy, AWS Elastic Beanstalk, Amazon Elastic Container Service, or AWS Fargate. You can model AWS CloudFormation actions that let you provision, update, or delete AWS resources as part of your release process. This also enables you to continuously deliver serverless applications built using AWS Lambda, Amazon API Gateway, and Amazon DynamoDB with the AWS Serverless Application Model, AWS SAM. You can also trigger custom functions defined by code at any stage of your pipeline using CodePipeline's integration with AWS Lambda. Pre-built plugins. AWS CodePipeline allows you to integrate third-party developer tools like GitHub or Jenkins into any stage of your release process with one click. You can use third-party tools for source control, build, test, or deployment. Custom plugins. AWS CodePipeline allows you to integrate your own custom systems. You can register a custom action by integrating the CodePipeline open source agent with your servers. The custom action allows you to hook your servers into your pipeline. You can also use the CodePipeline Jenkins plugin to easily register your existing build servers as a custom action. Declarative templates. AWS CodePipeline allows you to define your pipeline structure through a declarative JSON document. This document specifies your release workflow, its stages, and actions. These documents enable you to update existing pipelines, as well as provide starting templates for creating new pipelines. Access control. AWS CodePipeline uses AWS IAM to manage who can make changes to your release workflow, as well as who can control it. You can grant users access through IAM users, IAM roles, and SAML integrated directories. Receive notifications. You can create notifications for events impacting your pipelines. Notifications will come in the form of Amazon SNS notifications. Each notification includes a status message, as well as a link to the resources whose event generated that notification.